Hey, in this Photoshop tutorial I will show you how to remove something from a picture inside Adobe Photoshop. Using this technique you can use to remove, I don't know, objects, persons, graffiti or basically anything from a picture. So that being said, with this picture I would like to remove this graffiti, this poster right here, and this, I think it's a poster from this wall. I think it's a wall or something electrical. Okay, I don't know. So let's see how can we do this. So first of all, what I usually do when I open a project in Photoshop is to unlock this picture from the bottom right hand corner. You will find the lock, you will unlock it if you press on it. So now we'll use the healing brush. You can access this healing brush if you press J on your keyboard, J as in John, J as in Johnny, or J as in Jamaica. So, and also you will find this tool right here. If you right click on it, you will find a couple of tools. Let's use the first one for now. Also above here you will find the brush size. Let's increase it maybe to 200, and this is the hardness. The hardness is the intensity of the tool. For now let's leave it on 100%. You would like to lower it when you want to do soft things or some final touches. Okay, so now let's start with this. We'll be using the spot healing brush, is the first one which you will find right here. Well, with this one you will have to drag with your left click everything which you want to get removed inside this. Let's paint all the graffiti inside it, and now once you're done, release the click. And sometimes Photoshop will do a great job at removing it, and sometimes will not do a great job. So now let's see what other tools we have. We also have the healing brush right here. Let's select it, and with this one you'll find something truly special. Right now let's hold J as in John on our keyboard, and also at the same time hold the Alt on your keyboard, and you'll see the cursor just change. Now let's click somewhere on the background, and you will see I just drag a piece of texture from there. Let's increase the brush size so you can see better. I made it to 100%. So as I told you, let's also increase the hardness. Hold the J on your keyboard, press Alt to take a texture from somewhere, and you will see you will borrow a texture from somewhere on your picture. As an example, let's drag this piece of crack from the concrete, and I think I explained to you in a great way. Let's take this part from here and let's start to paint using this method. Alright. It's starting to do something different, but it's very useful. I like this tool more than the first one if you were to ask me. Let's use the first tool, so at the final touches we'll use the second tool which I showed you. Alright, it's not great, but it's something. We have a start. Okay, you could say it's from there, but we can do it better. Let's use now the healing brush tool, and let's take, I think let's increase it actually to 300. And now let's take this crack from here and let's paste it right here. We can make it longer. Alright, now it's something better. Let's do the same here, right here. Let's use the first tool from the healing brush. Let's take the spot healing brush, and now the same. Let's include everything which you want to get removed inside. Release the click, and now for some final touches, something like that. Let's also put some cracks from somewhere. Let's take this this concrete hole from here and let's place it right here. Alright, now it's better. So this is how to remove something inside Adobe Photoshop: an object, a person, an animal, or anything basically which you want, like graffiti, cracks, paintings, I don't know. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.